What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the download pending error you are getting in the Google Play Store. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, ensure all of your apps are up to date. Open the Play Store app, tap on your profile icon, and then click on Manage Apps and Device. From there, select Update All. This ensures that you're not facing download issues due to pending app updates. Sometimes, an unreliable internet connection can cause this error. Try resetting your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Turn it off, wait a moment, and then turn it back on. This can often kickstart your downloads. Running out of storage space on your device can also lead to download issues. Make sure you have enough free space to accommodate the app or update you're trying to download by going to the file manager of your device or the files folder and scroll down to access your storage. Here, you can check and free up your device storage according to your preferences. A classic but effective solution: restart your Android device. Sometimes a simple reboot can clear out any temporary glitches causing the download pending error you are getting. Cache and data buildup in the Play Store app can occasionally cause issues. To clear them, go to your device's settings. Find Apps or Application Manager. Locate the Google Play Store app and then tap on Storage. Here, you can clear both the cache and application data. Last but not least, ensure your Android operating system is up to date. System updates can often resolve compatibility issues. Go to your device's settings, scroll down and tap on Software Update. Check for any available updates and install them. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.